We are in Peccioli, walking to our street market. Walking to the street market. Take a look at this wonderful alley that brings you down to the homes. It's absolutely stunning. Look at the flowers at the balcony. This is Town Hall. The walls of the local church with the market. Hear the church bells. Look at this beautiful view. The modern structure is a walkway that takes you to the small town where cars are not allowed. So you park down and then you have an elevator coming up, a lift coming up, and you walk over. La felicità è una via, meaning happiness is a way. Absolutely stunning. Wonderful, clean little town with amazing, amazing views. These streets are not only stunning, the cleanliness of everywhere. I found what I'm looking for. Here we have the potatoes, onions. It's almost the end of the day, so most of the items are gone, but I'm sure I could come up with something. Ok, allora, Gioia, tu stai registrando?
Sì.
Ok, perfetto. We're gonna buy these beautiful apricots. I want you to come closer. Can you please come closer? Look how beautiful. Facciamo 1 chilo di albicocche. Look, posso toccarle? Vai, posso. Okay. Look at the colors. I am sure they were fresh picked this morning or even yesterday. So let's go ahead and get the apricots in. Wish I had time to make some jam also, but we will be having them after lunch today. Okay, puoi fermare. At all these wonderful, delicious items. Look at this. Look. And the different cheeses. We're going to be making pasta e patate, which is basically pasta and potatoes. So here we are. We're gonna make pasta e patate con provola affumicata, which is a smoked cheese melted in the pasta with potatoes. So this lovely gentleman is gonna have me taste the cheese. Ok, facciamo un assaggio allora. Grazie. Thank you so very much. Ecco qua. Formaggio, it's a little bit drier than mozzarella and it's totally smoked. Che bontà. Che bontà. Grazie mille, grazie. Absolutely delicious. Ferma?
Tutto?
Tutto. Prendiamo tutto.
Ok. 8 euro. Allez.
Perfetto. Ecco qui. Un saluto per i miei followers americani. Dove siamo qui?
Siamo a Peccio in Toscana.
Bellissimo, grazie mille.
Grande città.
I've come so far from the US to here in Peccioli to find, take a look at this, Cafe New York. Love it, love it, love it. I love our passion for Italy and their passion for America. What a beautiful little town square. Before we go ahead and make lunch, we're going to enjoy a nice Aperol Spritz. Grazie mille. Grazie mille.
Sì, va bene. Sì.
with the Aperol Spritz, they brought out little stuzzichini, little appetizers. The ingredients for pasta e patate with provola, which is smoked mozzarella. Here I have onions, celery, and carrots chopped, 3 small potatoes chopped. I have the cubed provola, which is smoked mozzarella. I have a couple pieces of Parmigiano Reggiano, or you could use the rinds. I have the pasta mista, the mixed pasta, and the pot with about 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive. Okay, we're finally in the kitchen after the shopping. Here's Zio Enzo. Ciao, Zio Enzo.
Ciao, Bella.
This is my wonderful Zio Enzo. Zio Enzo, I love you. You've seen him in my lives. He connects. Okay, so here we are. We're going to make pasta e patate con provola, potato and pasta. These are meals that they used to make years and years ago, where there was nothing available but the pasta and things from the garden. This is a fabulous meal anytime, and it is absolutely delicious. I went over the ingredients already. Ecco qua, Zio Enzo, facciamo un bel pasta e patata con provola,
Benissimo,
giusto?
benissimo.
Allora, te lo vedi tu?
Me lo
Fai
vedo
tutto
io,
tu?
faccio
Ok.
tutto io.
Zio Enzo,
Cominciamo a cucinare.
he has flavor in his fingers. Quando lui prepara, it tastes delicious. Okay, so here I have the pot with the extra virgin olive oil. Meet us by the stove and we will get started. Abbiamo tutto, Zio Enzo?
Tutto a posto,
Ok,
non manca niente.
perfetto.
Ale, vieni che siamo pronti.
Allora, pronti, Zio Enzo, vai. Ok, Zio Enzo, we're
Ok.
ready. The extra virgin olive oil, and we're adding carrots, celery, and onion. Let it saute gently. You don't want a high flame because you don't want to burn it. You just want to sweat the vegetables. As you can see, it's sauteing beautifully, and even the sound is changing. Make sure you don't burn the ingredients. Now, next we're going to be adding the potatoes. They're all cubed, very small, and we're gonna add them to the
Posso?
oil. Certo, Zio Enzo, aggiungi. We drain the water. Don't over rinse them because you don't want to lose the starch from the potatoes. Continue stirring until the potatoes release their flavor. Zio Enzo, ora mettiamo l'acqua, aggiungiamo l'acqua.
Yes, mettiamo un po' d'acqua.
Okay, perfetto. So now, what's important with this recipe is the ratio. Vai, Zio Enzo, vai. Mettiamo l'acqua. Is the ratio between the water and because you'll be cooking the pasta. It's a 1-pot meal, so you'll be cooking the pasta in here. So you want to make sure you have enough liquid for the pasta to cook. We have half a pound of pasta, and I'm gonna say we put in about 4 cups of water.
Messo l'acqua, copriamo, prendiamo il bollore.
E facciamo cucinare?
Facciamo cucinare una mezz'oretta che si cuociono le patate.
Perfetto. So what Zio Enzo did was he's gonna bring it up to boil, and he's gonna cook for about 30 minutes until the potatoes cook, and then we'll add the pasta. Okay, Zio Enzo, it's boiling now. Yes, it's boiling. Now we're going to add, we're missing the Parmigiano rind. So I have chunks of Parmigiano. We're gonna put a few of them in. Here it goes. And let it cook all together. Perfect. The cheesier, the better. For sure. Zio Enzo sta bollendo tutto, è pronto?
È pronto per buttare la pasta.
Allora.
Noi a Napoli dicevo butta la pasta.
Butta la pasta. Allora, let's drop the pasta in. Ecco qua. I'm gonna zoom in. Zio Enzo said it's ready. So let's go ahead and add the pasta in. And he's also going to adjust the salt now. It's always easier when you do it, when you add
Adesso
the pasta in.
proviamo se ci vuole un po' di sale.
Okay.
Oceano è ottimo.
Ottimo, perfetto. Allora,
Si può buttare la pasta.
buttiamo la pasta. Also, what's very important, go ahead, Lorenzo, drop the pasta. What's very important is, don't forget, the cheese tends to be a little salty, so you want to make sure that you can always add a little bit right before serving. Yes, go ahead, Lorenzo. Right in. Also, the secret recipe to this is the ratio between the water and the pasta. Stir it, bring it back up to a boil, lower the heat, and let it cook. Here it goes. As you could see, the pasta it's been 7-8 minutes in. It's almost ready. It's al dente for sure. Now we're going to add. Enzo, cosa facciamo ora?
Adesso spegniamo il fuoco.
We're gonna shut off the heat. It's gonna stay a little warm. You could lower it if you have an electric burner.
Spegniamo il fuoco.
And he's going to add the
E
cheese.
mettiamo la provola.
Okay, and we're gonna add the cheese. And what that's going to do is gonna stir it in.
Posso?
Yes, he's gonna stir it in. And the process is called mantecare. The cheese is going to melt and create a total creaminess and flavor. Lorenzo, we're ready to eat. Pronti a mangiare?
Pronto.
We're ready to eat. Ok. Ecco qui. Ready to eat. They're nice and creamy and delicious. Beautiful. What I'm going to do is sprinkle some Parmigiano, black pepper, or olio Santo. If for my viewers, you know, I have the recipe for the olio Santo. And now, Lorenzo, assaggiamo tutti e due. Tu da là, you from there. Lorenzo, come si dice in inglese? Delicious. Delicious.
Delicious.
Delicious.
Delicious.
E tu, Zianita, stop laughing. Non ridere, Zianita. Anyway, we are here in Tuscany. Simple food, delicious food. Thank you for watching. Hit the subscribe button. Hit the like button. A lot more recipes coming up. Grazie, arrivederci alla prossima. Ciao, ciao, Zio Enzo.
Ciao.
Ciao.
Bye.